Welcome back to the channel. This is Martin Day Trades, and I just want to say thank you guys for viewing this video. If you decided to click on the thumbnail to see what this video is all about, I appreciate you. Right now, I have in the background YM1 futures trading up. I decided to lock myself out for the day because it is a bank holiday, Memorial Day. Now, thank you for all those who've served and sacrificed. Today is a very special day for our men in uniform, men and women in uniform, and those who've come and gone. Really important day, Memorial Day. Today is Monday, and I did go to work a little bit today at DG Deburring. I am a serial entrepreneur, and a couple of things about me is I now, with my family, have been running a precision manufacturing business. We are a niche specialization in the process of manufacturing aerospace goods. We precision deburr, meaning we take the sharp edges, any overhang metal from when the CNC machines make the components, and I did that. So I'll be putting in a little quick clip of me doing a little part that it's a little tube, deburring it. Couple of steps to that. I only did one step, but I'll show you guys what it's all about. Other than that, I just wanted to throw a video out there and just say please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you to those who are in uniform. And without further ado, let's go to the quick video of myself deburring.